southern trees bear strange fruit, blood on the leaves and blood at the root. Black bodies
I have a dream that one day
in the southern trees,
in Alabama, with its vicious races, with its governor having his lips dripping with the words of interposition and nullification. One day right there in Alabama, little black boys and black girls will be able to join hands with little white boys and white girls as sisters and brothers. I have a dream today.
We started a bus protest which literally electrified the nation. And that was the day when we decided that we were not going to take segregated buses any longer.
Under God will die before I'll yield 1 inch to that kind of a movement.
then the sudden smell.
40 years ago, Rosa Parks waged a one-woman war against racism, and on Tuesday, some of her youngest fans paid tribute to the grandmother of the civil rights movement. In 1955, Parks refused to give up her seat to a white passenger on a bus in Montgomery, Alabama.
To pluck for the rain together, for the wind to suck.
Claudette Colvin was born in Montgomery, Alabama on September 5, 1939. She grew up in a time of extreme discrimination and segregation. As Colvin was growing up, she strived to shine a light on equality. Claudette Colvin was 15 years old when she was arrested for violating segregation laws and refusing to give up her seat to an older white woman on March 2, 1955. As soon as Colvin was released from jail, Dr. King decided that she would be a good face for the civil rights movement. However, a few months earlier, she was sexually assaulted by a white male. Soon after being released from jail, she discovered that she was pregnant. Upon discovering this, Colvin was turned down by Dr. King because she was too young, pregnant, and had too dark a complexion.
Everybody who wanted to hold on to those Jim Crow laws, they just wanted you to be quiet and don't say anything, don't make any waves, just let things go on the same way as they always have.
Although Claudette Colvin wasn't able to lead the civil rights movement, she made her mark in the end. She was one of the 4 plaintiffs on the Plessy v. Ferguson court case, which ruled bus segregation in Montgomery, Alabama, and everywhere else in the United States unconstitutional.
You know, one of the biggest pieces is not be afraid to stand up for what you think is right, or something that would impact somebody else's life other than yours. Because you may be in a perfect situation, but you see somebody else in a situation, to be able to stand up for that person or persons, regardless of what color it is.